Hi, so this is kind of an introductory video to what we have achieved with respect to the governance of artificial intelligence and blockchain, of course. Now, when we first started with the local governance course, there was essentially using a pedagogy called the non-invasive learning method. We actually do not need a traditional classroom. And what we do is something called experiential learning. So we all take up one particular project. For example, Ayushman over there has taken up a course on healthcare.
Rightly pointed out by Professor, I'm heading the AIMS project. We are doing a case study on AI and DLT in multiple sclerosis. After a lot of chasing, we finally got an appointment with Dr. Manjari Tripathi, who is the head of neurology at AIMS, and she has given us a really insight to this project, where she has told us to visit the Marjan Imaging Center and to collaborate with them.
With respect to improving the quality of learning at the level of the university, societies play a very important role with that. Therefore, we formed the Technology Policy Society, and Bharati did an incredible job with respect to formulating that.
So during the course of governance of AI and blockchain, we were discussing how we should have a think tank within JGU which would help with research around artificial intelligence and blockchain. Most importantly, this society would not only be primarily focusing on governance of artificial intelligence. This society would be an interdisciplinary society where we would try to understand the different aspects of artificial intelligence and technology.
Then we have Neha, who has been a driving force looking into the international token associations and tokens and DLTs, and should universities be a part of that. She has led that particular project.
The project that I headed was on ITSA, whether ITSA is viable option for JGU. So ITSA basically stands for International Token Standardization Association, and the main question why this project came into question was we had to assess whether Jindal University could be a founding member of ITSA, and what benefit we could get from being that founding member.
One amazing aspect of this elective was the walks. The walks are extremely important because they embed you. They are part of. There were several walks which were organized. I should mention one walk which happened in Cyber City Cyber Hub, and the other one was in campus itself.
One amazing aspect of the walks is that it also helps us connect the built environment to the technological environment. One example of that is the financial inclusion project.
As part of the course on governance of AI and blockchain, we worked on a very ambitious project on financial inclusion by using technology. Through which we studied a lot of Dhobi colonies and tried to understand the problems they kind of face. So we try to study how these problems can be solved using technologies like blockchain and smart contracts.